So for this calculation, we are going to continue using column subtraction, and this time we have a 4-digit number subtract a 3-digit number. So placement is really important for this one. So you start with the larger number, which is on the left, and we're going to write it here, 3,000. And then the subtraction sign, doesn't matter if you put subtraction sign at the end, the important thing is that it's included. And then we've got to make sure we've got the correct alignment, because this is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and this is just hundreds, tens and ones. So I don't have anything in the thousands column here, so I'm going to start from here, 741, and then make sure I have the space. So now I've got the alignment correct, I'm going to start answering this question. So once again, starting at the ones column, what is 0 subtract 1? Well, that's not possible, so you take 1 from the next column. But the next column also has 0, so you then have to check the next column. The next column also has 0. So you actually have to come all the way across to the thousands column. And you're going to take 1 away from the 3. So 3 take away 1 is 2. Now, to get it back to the ones column, you have to go across every single one. You can't just jump. So you actually have to give it to the hundreds column and then take 1 away. So this is 10, take 1 away to make 9, and then give it to the tens column. And we need it in the ones column. So at the moment, this is 10 take away 4, but we still got to make it reach the ones. So we're going to take 1 away to make 9 and give it to the ones column. So it's now 10 subtract 1 equals 9. Now this is now 9 subtract 4, or 90 subtract 40, and the answer is going to be 5. And then 900 subtract 700, or 9 subtract 7 is 2. And then here, 2 subtract nothing is going to be 2. So the answer is 2,259.